Hi everyone, I'm Dave Bowman, and in this section we'll talk about how the correct maintenance of your car's cooling system contributes to the protection of the environment.
Be cool with your vehicle. Knowing about your vehicle's cooling system.
You know, eco-friendly practices are those that inflict minimal, if any, harm to the environment. This is especially important for the future of the planet, and everything we do has a consequence on this issue. You know, with the correct maintenance of the car's cooling system, you can protect the environment by avoiding environmental contamination with the coolant and performing cooling system flushing, prolonging the life of your coolant and improving gas mileage, reducing the car's driving emissions. You know, coolant is a very dangerous pollutant, and radiator coolant should not be dumped into septic and drain systems or onto the ground. It should be recycled. Perform the car's flushing with a professional service that follows eco-friendly practices. And furthermore, if you prolong the life of your coolant, you flush less frequently, which is better for the environment. Now, today's electronically controlled engines depend on precise engine temperatures to maximize fuel mileage, minimize emissions, and provide peak performance. And if an engine runs too hot or cold, it results in poor performance, poor fuel mileage, negatively impacting the environment. So the best for your car, your wallet, and the environment is to properly maintain your cooling system components. How? With the use of VR12, the ultimate cooling system protection. For only a few dollars, you can protect every inch of your cooling system, lower engine temperatures, prevent rust, corrosion, oxidation, and electrolysis. Additionally, VR12 protects all metals, improves gas mileage, and is a 100% organic green product that protects the planet while you save money.
You can buy this powerful product online at vr12.com.
Be cool with your vehicle. Knowing about your vehicle's cooling system. Presented by VR12, the ultimate cooling system protection.